Dr. Benson, do you have a moment? I wanted to run through Mrs. Albright's case, the 78-year-old on Ward 4 with the recurrent UTIs. She's back again, the third time in 2 months. We've done the standard urine cultures, sensitivity tests, and all have come back with E. coli susceptible to trimethoprim, which we've prescribed each time. But it just keeps recurring. Her creatinine's slightly up again, but nothing alarming. She's also reporting an increase in incontinence, which she finds very distressing.
Right, Mihira. A familiar pattern with Mrs. Albright. Are we certain she's completing the full course of antibiotics each time? Compliance issues are common in older patients, especially with complex medication regimens. We also need to rule out structural abnormalities. Has she had a recent renal ultrasound or any imaging of the urinary tract? Sometimes there's an underlying issue, like a bladder prolapse or residual urine after voiding.
Good point, Dr. Benson. We reinforced the importance of finishing the course during her last discharge. No, she hasn't had any recent imaging, actually. Her previous ones from about a year ago were unremarkable. I was actually considering whether we should broaden our investigation into her increasing frailty. She seems generally weaker, and her appetite has dropped. But given the persistent infections and now the escalating incontinence, my primary concern is to exclude any significant anatomical contributions to these recurrent events, as that's the most immediately actionable pathway for intervention.
Exactly, Mihira. Your instincts are correct. While her overall frailty certainly warrants a holistic review eventually, the recurrent infections and worsening incontinence strongly point towards an anatomical cause that might be predisposing her to these episodes. Let's get an urgent CT KUB booked. That's our priority right now. Mihira, it's completely normal to feel a bit concerned about potential side effects, and I want to reassure you that many people experience only very mild, temporary reactions. These are often just signs that your body is gently starting to build its protective response. You might notice some tenderness, redness, or small amount of swelling at the spot where you receive the injection, much like a minor reaction to any small scrape or bump. Some people also feel a bit tired or under the weather, or run a slight temperature for a day or two. These sensations are usually manageable with rest, hydration, a simple pain reliever if needed. However, it is very important to listen to your own body. If at any point you feel significantly unwell, or if any mild symptoms persist longer than you feel comfortable with, please do not hesitate to make an appointment with your GP. They are there to provide you with personalized care and peace of mind, ensuring you feel supported and well throughout the entire process. Your well-being is the absolute priority.